Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be doing kind of like a first impression type review on the new Jaclyn Hill lipsticks. I was super excited when she said she was coming out with lipsticks in a nude collection, but I was also apprehensive because I don't want to be that person, but when white influencers come out with products, they don't always consider women of color and dark women of color at that, or men of color, people of color. They don't usually take them into consideration. I'm going to be the one to say that. But, so when she said that, I was kind of like, so I watched the video, I saw all the lipsticks, I kind of had my little, ones that I wanted, and then I noticed that they had, she had some deeper ranges, and she actually did put a lot of thought into it, which I applaud her for that because, we need to be involved. We're a part of the community. We need to be involved in pretty much all products, So, so I picked my 4 out of her collection that I wanted. I ended up picking up Nude AF. I picked up Cheeky, Decaf, and Ambition. When I was on the site, I was kind of going back and forth between picking up a trio, picking up the entire collection, picking up just a few. And personally for me, I don't know about y'all, but I have a lot of nude lipsticks. I have a lot of nude lipsticks, a lot of nude glosses, a lot of nude liquid lipsticks because that is my favorite lip color to wear is a nude. Y'all already know this. So I ended up just picking up 4 mainly for that reason. Not being excessive because we're trying to, declutter as much as we can and just get what we need or get what we want. So my first impression on this lipstick is that the packaging is so superb. It is very well thought out. The packaging kind of has this silvery hectagon type shape with the JH on the top. When you take the top off, the JH does come off with the top half. It doesn't stay on the bottom, so that was really well thought out. Also, there is a little rhinestone diamond type decal at the top, which I also really like. And then there's a sticker on the bottom that has Nude AF, tells you how much it weighs, and also I guess the color code or something like that. I don't know. I'm not a chemist. I have no idea, but it feels really, really, really heavy, luxurious, high-end, everything like that. She put a lot of thought into this, and it's better than some of your regular name brand expensive lipsticks as far as packaging goes. So I really, really, really applaud that. I think these retailed for $18 and I ended up picking up 4. So not super, super, super expensive. It's definitely the most expensive, also not the least expensive. It's kind of smack dab in the middle. I like that she kept it affordable for us brokies, us ballers on a budget, you know what I mean? Because we just, we can't afford it. Honestly, we can't afford it. So I am going to quit rambling just for a little bit. I'm going to cue the lip swatches. I decided to do arm swatches as well as lip swatches so that you guys can see them on my skin tone with this makeup look, which is just a nude look. So they all look really, really, really good on my skin tone. The only one I will say that is not going to look really good as an overall lipstick is Nude AF. And before I go into the swatches, I just wanted to mention that Nude AF, my reasoning behind ordering that, although I'm darker skin tone, I like when I'm wearing a brownie kind of lip to just place a light, really light powder donut nude in the center to give that dimension and to give that kind of pouty effect. So that was my thinking behind Nude AF. So when you see it on my lips, don't take it as face value. It's just, I was just showing you the color more so than it being as a lipstick. But the other 3, so Cheeky is my favorite. No, Decaf is my favorite. That's the one I have on right now. I love this. I love this lipstick. And then Cheeky is a little more pinky, but same same not neutral, but same tones, I guess you could say. It just has a little more pink. Super, super good. Ambition is a chocolatey brown. It does look a little more it has a little more plummy hues, a little more that on me, but it's still going to be a really, really good fall color. So once again, stop talking. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and we are going to get into the lip swatches. Okay, so now that you guys have already seen all of the lip swatches, you see how they look on my skin tone, comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, or if you're going to pick up any of these. Like, starting from the beginning, I first picked up Nude AF, as I mentioned. And Nude AF is just that kind of pouty, like nude kind of color, something I can place in the center of my lips, never to wear all over my lips. It's just kind of like an add-on to lipsticks to give you that really nice nude glam. It would pair really well with a dark brown lip liner and just in the center of your lips, and then kind of like pat your lips together, and it'll have that nice effect. These lipsticks are very, very creamy, extremely buttery. Like, her slogan is what it is. And I'm not just saying that just to say that. Like, when I tried this lipstick, I was surprised, because like, when you think of a new brand, you don't think that they have all their bells and whistles all together. And like, this lipstick is amazing. Like, it is amazing. And I bought not all of Jaclyn Hill's products, but I bought her palettes, like all of her palettes, her champagne pop, like, and then the lipsticks. Like, that lady puts time and effort, and though it may, be dramatized sometimes, like, she puts her all into her products, and I can really appreciate that as a consumer, because I want the best of the best, especially if I'm going to pay for it. You know what I mean? So that was Nude AF. Then I got Cheeky. Cheeky, like I mentioned, it's another like nudie kind of color. It has a little more pinky hues. It's going to look so good with just like a neutral smoky eye like this, and just pop it on the lips with a brown lip liner. I can't wait to wear this one. Like, this one, this is so good. Like, this is, like, if I had to tell you to pick up any lipsticks from her collection, I would tell you to pick up Cheeky and Decaf. And Decaf is my next one. Decaf is a little more neutral toned. It's going to look darker if you're lighter than me. So if you're a little bit lighter than me, it's going to look a little more browny, a little more deeper on you. But if you're my skin tone or darker, this is going to be like the perfect neutral nude for you. Oh my god. Like, I can't wait to like throw a gloss over the top just to give it that more glossy effect, and just like, this right here might be my new favorite lipstick. Like, I'm that sold on this lipstick. Like, when you find something that you just really, really, really love, that is this. Like, it's so good. just perfect amount of neutral, perfect amount of brown, perfect amount of like richness. Like, she did her thing with this one. She did her thing. The last one is Ambition. As I mentioned, this is a darker chocolatey kind of brown. On camera, it's showing up more how it looks on my skin tone in person. It looks really deep and rich in person, but I wish this had more brown, more, like, I don't know, like, the terms. Like, if Jack came in here, he could probably describe, like, the colors that would need to go in it to make it, like, a darker color. But, like, more brown, more black, more yellow, like, maybe, like, less, like, purpley, bluey hued, I wish. But, like, I'm talking, like, Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted. Like, that is the color I pictured when I thought of this, like, when I picked this and put this in my cart, as opposed to, like, what I got. Like, it's not, like, I don't like it, but I pictured it deeper, darker, richer, chocolatier, and it's just, it's there, but it's just not there for me. Like, this color reminds me of my mom's colors in the 90s, like what I would see her wear on her lips in the 90s, which it's coming back around, and it's not a problem, but I just wanted it a little darker, a little deeper. But I still think that color is going to be really nice in the, like, in the fall time, fall into winter time. That color is going to be really, really, really popular. So it's good to have it, like, now, you know what I mean? If you are darker than me, that might be, like, that might look a little better. But I feel like for my complexion, just, like, right now, like, I'm just not there. Just not there. So final thoughts. Would I recommend you buy a lipstick from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics? Yes. Yes. Spend your $36 and get decaf and get cheeky, and I promise you will not regret it. Like, I love my nude lipsticks, and these two just joined the collection of my staples. You guys know Knock on Wood, Stripped, or Starfish from ABH, Cork from Dose of Colors. Like, those staple nude lipsticks and liquid lipsticks, like, those are, oh, More Creamer Please, and what's the other one? More Creamer Please, and the other Desi and Katie one. Like, those 5 are, like, my staples, and these two join it. So if I had to recommend anyone, it would be those two. The shipping wasn't very long. I did pay for expedited shipping, so that way I could get the review up before, say, you got your own products, or say you wanted to order some, whatever it may be. I did pay for expedited shipping. Her shipping did come through UPS, which is good because UPS is really good about, like, their shipping and tracking and all that stuff, as opposed to USPS. We all know how USPS is. So that was really good that she shipped through UPS. The site, it had a lot of volume, so it was just kind of hard. It kept sending me back to my cart, and it was just kind of, like, flustering. But now, since, like, the hype and everything has gone, like, launch day is gone, like, the site is probably a lot more calm and easy for you to order from. So that's that. But overall, you guys, I'm really proud of her. Like, I've watched this lady since she was, like, back in her apartment sitting in front of the refrigerator. Like, I've been watching her literally, I want to say, since high school. Like, 6 years ago, like 5 or 6 years ago, high school, like first year of college. Like, I've been watching Jaclyn and seeing her grow from just, like, watching her entire journey. That is what I aspire to be. That is who I aspire to be. The likes of her and Jackie Ina and Desi and Katie and Crispy and Nitra B. Like, that is who I aspire to be. So to see her start from nothing and little YouTuber to mega influencer to boss brand bitch, like, that is just amazing. So I'm always looking to support everybody, and though you guys don't see me buy everybody's collection and everybody's everything, I try to get them when I can. Like, when money ain't funny, I'm all about supporting my sisters and brothers, but money gotta be right. So, yeah, these are both retail for $18, so $36 for both of the two that I recommended. I think that is, like, pretty good if you think about how much you spend at Popeyes, but I don't think she has, like, any discounts or anything like that. Shipping is free over a certain amount, I'm sure, that typical type stuff from websites. But I think that's all I have, you guys. And I know you might ask for a makeup look on this look. I didn't film it. I have a look already on my channel from, like, last August before I went to Hawaii. Same look. I just put wing liner with it. So same exact look, different lashes, but pretty much the same exact look. So that's all I have, you guys. Leave me any questions if I forgot about anything, because I've just been jabbering. Leave me any questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.